Let me make some announcements while they're doing that. Thank you for the great day we had last Sunday, celebrating 52 years of our charter as a church. And we had tremendous service, tremendous spirit, tremendous music and fellowship and all of the work and labor of love and the food. And had about 650 people here, about 450 people stayed for lunch, and just a sweet, sweet time. And so it was a joy to be able to be part of that. And looking forward to a great year, looking forward to the close of the calendar year, but looking forward to another great year to serve the Lord. Last week, we ended our previous year's faith promise commitments, and we collected our cards for the new year. I put in the bulletin last year's total and how we exceeded that by God's grace and God's mercy and His faithfulness. We rejoice in that. Very few churches that are participating in faith promise seen what we have seen last year. And then this year, so far, we've received 122 cards. We usually average about 170 cards. So I believe there are cards out there still to come in. If you give to missions and you've not turned in your card, would you please do so today? This is how we determine our budget for our missionaries, and we're coming up on the budget time. So if our number is what it is there, then we'll have to make some cuts and do some things. I don't anticipate that, but that's the importance of your card that enables us to go forward. So please be faithful to find one. They should be on the welcome desk. If not, I'd ask Brother Nunez to make sure throughout the day that they are there. You can pick one up and submit it through the offering. Don't forget, this Wednesday night, our Wednesday night meals are back. If you'd like to purchase your ticket, they'll be available for sale today in the lobby. And I hope and pray the meals will be served from 5:30 to 6:30. It's a great time to eat meal together and then come to our Wednesday night Bible study. God's doing great things in this place on Wednesday night. If you've not been to a Wednesday night in a long time, you probably wouldn't even recognize what is going on as far as how God is moving. All kinds of other announcements mentioned through there. I want to mention the Fall Festival on November 7th. We do need help for that. There's a booth set up in the lobby. If you would stop by there today and register to help, that would be great. This is a free event, and usually we'll have anywhere from, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people that come. It's designed for preschool and elementary children. Just a neat way to reach out into the community. For one and a half hour span of time, there's no electronics allowed with the children. And all the parents said, to God be the glory. Amen. And so they're going to play the old games like when you were a kid. And they'll enjoy that. And it's just a special and unique time. Veterans, we have our Veterans Day breakfast coming up in November. And we tried to take the calendar all the way through that month so you could get a glimpse of what is going on. Don't forget Mission to Haiti this week. They have their annual banquet on Saturday. They invited our church there. This is a fundraising banquet to help provide food for the folks down in Haiti. And please see the Neelys. If you're interested, they'll be in the back there to help facilitate that. It's at the Western Hills Country.